For decades, we've pictured a dinosaur genius, a cunning bird-like predator with a massive brain and huge eyes for hunting in the dead of night. It was a star. But what if I told you that this super smart dinosaur, a creature we called Troodon, was a case of mistaken identity? Today, we uncover the lie of the smartest dinosaur. When you picture Troodon, you probably imagine a fast, feathered predator with an unusually large brain. Its high brain-to-body size ratio cemented its pop culture status as a clever, calculating hunter that used wits, not just brute force, to survive. The only problem: this entire identity was built on a foundation of sand, or more accurately, a single tooth. It all started in 1856 with a single fossil found in Montana. It was a small, sharp tooth, and paleontologist Joseph Leidy gave it a name, Troodon formosus, which means wounding tooth, and that was it. That one tooth was Troodon. For decades, scientists weren't even sure what it was. How do you build an entire animal from just one tooth? Things got messy. Over the next century, anytime paleontologists found similar teeth, they tended to get tossed into the Troodon pile, creating what scientists call a wastebasket taxon. The most important of these was a partial skeleton of a bird-like dinosaur with a big brain case, named Stenonychosaurus. In the 1980s, a review concluded Stenonychosaurus and Troodon were the same. Because the name Troodon was older, it took priority, and just like that, the amazing skeleton of Stenonychosaurus became the body of Troodon. But scientists never stopped questioning it. That original tooth just wasn't special enough to be the anchor for an entire genus. Then, in 2017, the bombshell dropped. Scientific papers argued that Troodon was a nomen dubium, a doubtful name. They concluded the name should only apply to that original, lonely tooth. The incredible skeletons that had been called Troodon for decades got their old names back. The most complete ones are once again known as Stenonychosaurus, and other fossils were assigned to a new genus, Latinivenatrix. So the animal we all thought we knew was actually a case of mistaken identity. The story of Troodon is a perfect example of how science is always updating itself. What other prehistoric myths do you want to see us tackle next? Let me know in the comments below, and don't forget to subscribe. So, was the smartest dinosaur a lie? In a way, yes. The name Troodon is now a ghost, confined to a single fossil tooth. But the animal itself, the intelligent, big-eyed, fast-running predator, was very, very real. We just call it by its proper names now, Stenonychosaurus and Latinivenatrix. This isn't a story about losing a dinosaur. It's about getting to know two of them even better. It's a powerful reminder that in science, the truth isn't set in stone.